Irreecha is one of the most remarkable traditions of the Oromo people. It is generally seen as a thanksgiving and a festival of demands. Irreecha is celebrated in the autumn season all over Oromia. Although it is observed throughout Oromia, the most famous Irreecha grounds are Hora Finfinne in Finfinne city and Hora Harsedde in Bishoftu town. Millions of Oromos, along with other nations, nationalities, and people of Ethiopia, come together to celebrate Irreecha at these ceremonial grounds. In 2020, Irreecha was celebrated at Hora Finfinne in the capital of Ethiopia, Finfinne, Addis Ababa, for the first time in 150 years. Since then, it has been celebrated with great enthusiasm. The eve of Irreecha at Hora Finfinne always leaves unforgettable memories, filled with chanting and dancing. Oromo youths, in particular, enhance the eve with various traditional dances like Dichisa, Ragada, Iyase, Gelo, Shagoye, Tiri, and Kumkume. They move and chant in groups. They all arrive at Mescal Square from different directions of the capital to thank Waka, God, the next day at Dololo Bidena. You'll notice that many youths wear beautifully designed cultural costumes, often in uniform styles from the same area or institution. This celebration not only promotes Oromo culture, but also supports local industries and designers. Almost all celebrants wear cultural attire. On the eve and the day of celebration, Oromo cultural foods like chuko, anchote, kororsa, matmare, porridge, kamasha, and halkana, among others, are displayed at the Oromo Cultural Center in Finfinne city. Irreecha is not just a Thanksgiving festival. It is also a festival that honors both the creator and the creatures. Here, the Oromo people pray to Waka to guide all creations according to natural law, fearing that human actions may disrupt this flow. On the day of celebration, people gather at the ceremonial ground early in the morning. However, no one is allowed to enter the site before the Abba Gadas and Hadda Sinques. The Abba Gadas officially opened the celebration by blessing the water prepared for Irreecha. Participants chant words led by Abba Muda, the father of the ointment of the festivity. Attendees carry wet grass and daisy flowers which blossom in the birra season with yellow petals as symbols of fertility and abundance. Elderly women also carry chicho, a small milk basket, daisy flowers, grass, and sinke, a thin stick held only by married Oromo women, symbolizing their rights and respect. As they proceed to the Malka, or ceremonial grounds, Abba Gadas and Hadda Sinques, accompanied by the public, repeatedly say, Mareho. The word Mareho. This phrase, said in unison, roughly translates to, May Irreecha be peaceful and good, so that it returns in cycles and rounds, like the cycle of time. Today, it's common to see people from other nations, nationalities, and people of Ethiopia singing and chanting at the Irreecha festival. They wear their cultural clothes and chant in their own languages. Among them are the Gedio, Walaita, Gamo, Sidama, and Hadia people. During the Irreecha celebration, Oromo boys and girls are adorned in cultural clothes of various designs and colors. Irreecha is a celebration that brings together Oromo people regardless of their religious differences. In recent years, Oromos from Kenya have also participated in the Irreecha festival in both Finfinne and Bishoftu. Oromo youths also enhance the eve of the Hora Harsedde Irreecha celebration in Bishoftu town with chanting, dancing, and singing. Since 2020, Irreecha has been celebrated on Saturdays in Finfinne and Sundays in Bishoftu town. Those who do not celebrate in Finfinne often travel to Bishoftu to join the festivities at Hora Harsedde. Many who celebrate in Finfinne also move to Bishoftu afterwards. Hotels, restaurants, cafeterias, and coffee houses prepare in advance to welcome the celebrants. On the following morning, Abba Gadas and Hada Sinkes walk to Hora Harsede to open the festival with blessings. The celebration in Bishoftu is unique and breathtaking, with activities like sailing on the lake becoming a part of the carnival. Irreecha is love, unity, strength, and resilience.